My dear friends, after completing our first two name reaction, that is Mannish reaction and pinacol rearrangement reaction, today we are going to discuss about benzilic rearrangement reaction. It is as same as pinacol rearrangement reaction, but here is difference is in pinacol we are using 1,2 methyl shift, and here 1,2 aryl shifting will be takes place. As the name suggests, benzil is aryl group, so here it is 1,2 aryl shifting takes place. Now this is the first point, and talking about the starting material, that is benzil. So the structure of benzil is like this. Benzil, uh, C double bond O, bond C double bond O. Here it is phenyl ring, here it is another phenyl ring. I have written the structure of phenyl like this. So this is called benzil. It can be called 1,2-diketone. Talking about IPAC nomenclature, if I do the nomenclature, it will be like this: 1,2 diphenyl 1,2, that is ethane, double bond O. So 1,2 dione, ethane 1,2 dione. This is the structure of benzil and its IUPAC name. Now about benzilic acid. So before going to benzilic acid, I have some one points to tell you that here you can see the C double bond O and C double bond O. Okay, it is diketone. If I replace the phenyl group with hydrogen in both side, it looks like what? The structure is called glyoxyl. This structure is called glyoxyl. So uh, uh, if we replace this hydrogen with phenyl, we can call it is diphenyl diphenyl glyoxyl. So remember the point. The another name of benzil we can call diphenyl glyoxyl. Okay. Next, the media we use during this reaction, there is a basic media, that is we use NaOH. Other basic media also we can use. The fourth point, that is the benzilic acid. Benzilic acid. The structure of benzilic acid is like this: phenyl bond C, bond phenyl, bond C OH, bond C double bond O, OH. This is the structure of benzilic acid. This is the acidic part, and there in this portion or in this carbon rearrangement takes place. The IUPAC name is like this: the first position and the second position, 2,2 diphenyl, 2,2 diphenyl, 2 hydroxy, 2 hydroxy. Here it is acetic acid is present because 2 carbon, that is acetic acid. So this is all about benzilic acid and the media we use. Okay. Now let's see the reaction, the general reaction. The general reaction is like this: benzil. Draw the structure of benzil. C double bond O, C double bond O, phenyl in presence of basic media NaOH. I have taken NaOH as a basic media. The formed product is like this: COH, phenyl, bond C double bond O OH. This is benzilic acid. Benzil, benzilic acid. So now let's come to the interesting part, that is the mechanism. I have no space for this, so I will draw it in the next page. Okay, please note it down. Pause the video and please note it down. It is very important for you. So now let's study the mechanism. First of all, I draw the structure of benzil. C double bond O bond C double bond O bond phenyl. Now you can see when the NaOH molecule break, it forms OH minus. Okay, OH minus, and this is Na plus. Now this OH minus will be attack this carbon atom. Okay, so this OH group will attack this carbon atom. Due to this attack of the OH group to carbon atom, the carbon atom got unstable because already it have formed 4 bonds. Where to stay this extra 2 electrons? So this double bond will be shifted toward this. Okay. Now next what happen? This intermediate is formed. Phenyl C double bond O bond C O minus. Here it is OH. Here it is phenyl. Okay. This is the step 1. In the very next step, you can see, I will draw it again. Phenyl C double bond O bond C bond OH bond O minus phenyl. What happened? Here now what happened, that this oxygen wants to become stable because it have extra electron pair, so it will shift toward this. In previous video I said that the hydrides are more have the more shifting ability then aryl, and then finally methyl or alkyl. Okay, so here you can see there is no hydrides, there is hydroxide, so it will not shift. So this phenyl will be shifting takes place. Now this phenyl will shift like this to this, to this carbon. Okay, now this carbon atom became unstable, so shifting will be takes place towards this oxygen. Again oxygen get what, oxygen get extra electron, so oxygen became negative, and the product is formed phenyl bond C O minus. Here it is another phenyl bond C double bond O. Here it is OH. You can see the acid already formed. The only thing we have to do is attachment of one hydrogen. Okay. Now we have also taken water in the reaction. Water is present, so now phenyl C O negative charge, and here it is another phenyl, here it is C double bond O OH, so why H plus will come. Now H plus will come and bind to this oxygen, and formation of the final product takes place. It is phenyl C double bond O, phenyl C, oh sorry, it is OH, a single bond. Okay, double bond O OH. This is the structure of benzilic acid. Benzilic acid. So this is the whole mechanism. This is a 3-step name reaction. It is 1, 2 aryl shift. Okay, here from this first position to second position aryl shifting takes place. This is the 1, 2 aryl shift. Let's recall the reaction mechanism. In the first step, this OH minus will attack and formation, this carbon became unstable, and double bond will shift towards the oxygen. Oxygen get negatively charged because of extra electron pair, and it wants to become stable, so it will donate its electron to this carbon. This carbon become unstable, and now the phenyl shifting will takes place, and due to this carbon became unstable because phenyl come and bind attached to carbon. Carbon already formed 4 bonds, here comes and 5 bond formation takes place, so carbon push its electron toward oxygen. Again oxygen, this oxygen get a minus charge, and one H plus ion comes and binds to it. Because present in any reaction, if we take many reaction examples, there is presence of water already water we take, so the H plus ion come and bind, so the final the benzilic acid is formed. So this is about our benzilic acid rearrangement reaction. So in our next video we will study about Bayer villager oxidation reaction. So till now, thank you, and if you like this video, please comment down and give me some suggestion about other name reaction which I should upload in my upcoming videos. Thank you.